Hi Andrea, it's Amy. I'm going to do a screencast to teach you a couple things. You're looking at my computer and I have a browser window open to the login screen here. So you know how to log in the front end where you can edit a lot of things, but some of the things that are a little more advanced have to be edited from what is known as the back end. So when you want to do those, you just go to the website. So keep in mind, right now it's kathywiseman.com. Eventually it will be workingsystemsinc.net. And so right now we're going to go to kathywiseman.com/administrator. That's administrator. And as soon as the website is switched over, you will go to workingsystemsinc.net/administrator instead of kathywiseman.com. So keep that in mind. Sorry, that's my email popping in. Okay, so you'll see this login screen, and we'll go ahead and use my username and password. You'll use yours when you log in. Just hit login. And the first thing you'll see is the control panel. Okay, the first thing we'll do is let's go take a look at the scrolling module on the front. And all modules are found under the Extensions menu, the Module Manager. So we go to the Module Manager, and there's lots and lots and lots and lots of modules in here, most of which are, you see this big red X, are not enabled because we cleaned up the website a lot to get it ready for launch. But depending on what you want to do, I can re-enable some of these or add more. And so we're going to be focusing on the ones that are enabled. And if you sort for enabled over here, it'll clean up your screen a lot. Okay, so the thing that rotates on the home page is a module called Rock Stories. And so to open up a module, we just click the name of it. Okay, so let me show you a couple things in here. The name of it is Rock Stories. I'm going to change the name of it to Homepage Rotator, and that will, or Homepage Stories Rotator, okay? And so that will be a little easier for you to look for in the Module Manager. We don't want to show the title. It is enabled. It's for public view, and this is an important menu because it tells us which menu items we want that rotator to show up on. And so right now it's just the home page. That's what we want. Okay, so come over here. Now a lot of this you'll never need to change unless you want to have, you know, currently I've set it to show 4 articles, even though it's only showing 3. If you wanted to add another quote, it's already set for 4, but let's say you wanted to add 3 more quotes. Well, then you could change the max to 6. Doesn't really matter what you put there because only the amount of articles published to this section and category are going to actually show up there. That'll make more sense in a minute. Okay, so I tell it don't show the title, don't show the date, do show the article, and don't show the link to read more. What you saw before where it had a link to read more, I just clicked no and it took that away. Okay, so here is the other thing that you want to take a look at. It's currently, this is set in milliseconds, so 9,000 milliseconds is 9 seconds. It was set to 5. I reset it to 9, and now I'm going to change it to 7 to split the difference. And so in order to do that, I just click apply. And apply is going to keep me on the same page while allowing me to go and see the changes that I've made. Once I know that it's working the way I want, I hit save, and it takes me back to the Module Manager. Okay?